Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to transfer money from Testerup to your Cash App account. First, open the Testerup website or app and log in using your registered email and password. Make sure your earnings have reached the minimum payout limit before continuing. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard and find the Payout or Withdrawal section. Now choose Cash App as your preferred withdrawal method. If it's not listed directly, select the option to withdraw via PayPal instead, since you can easily move that money to Cash App afterward. Enter your Cash App tag or the same email connected to your Cash App account, then type in the amount you want to transfer. Double-check all details before confirming. After that, confirm the withdrawal request and wait for Testerup to process your payment. This usually takes a few business days depending on their payout schedule. If you received the payment through PayPal, simply open your Cash App, tap the Add Cash option, and fund it using the same bank account linked to your PayPal account. And that's it. Your Testerup earnings are now available in your Cash App balance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful money-making tutorials.